This photo, this one right here, destroyed my entire Sunday. 10 weeks on Monjaro and day 4 abhi bhi jeet thi hai har week. Okay, so let me tell you what happens every single week, and I mean every week. Friday is the injection day. Day 1 is fine, day 2 great, day 3 I am thriving, no hunger, steady energy, feeling like ab ho raha hai, like I finally cracked this. And then day 4 shows up, like that one uninvited guest who ruins every single plan. Something just switches inside, cravings hit, and my brain goes ek baar mein chalta hai. Last Saturday, normal outing, nothing special, and there I am, smiling, happy, digging into a fully spicy crab curry thali. The gravy is deep red, rich, heavy, roti on the side, everything. Completely worth it. Ye galti thi, badi galti. So Saturday evening, I ate that full meal, came home, felt heavy that day, and I went to sleep. Sunday subah, it starts with a burp, but not a normal burp. Imagine rotten eggs mixed with whatever died inside you the night before, coming up through your throat, into your mouth, and into the air around you. Your own family won't sit near you. And it doesn't stop at one. It keeps coming every few minutes. Like your body is sending you a very strongly worded legal notice. Then the nausea hits. Then projectile vomiting. 2 times, 3 times. Your food pipe is burning. Like someone poured hot lava down your throat from inside. Everything inside feels like it's been through a blender on full speed. Then the diarrhea starts. 3 rounds, 4 rounds. At this point, you and the toilet are basically best friends. Toxic best friends, but best friends. Zero energy, can't eat, can't stand properly, just lying there thinking, was that crab curry worth it? Well, it was not. And the worst part, this is week 10 and I still did this to myself. Har week, एक बार तो ये होता ही है. The food changes, the crash doesn't. So somewhere around week 7, week 8, I stopped being shocked by this and I started getting curious. Why is it always day 4? Why is it always when I step out? Why does one meal, one decision undo everything? So I started writing it down, every day, every crash, every feeling. And when I looked at it on paper, the pattern was right there. So obvious, I couldn't unsee it. Predictable, annoying, but still predictable. And knowing your pattern, that feels like power. Okay, so here's what's actually happening. No textbook language, okay? Manjaro slows down how fast your stomach empties food. Day 1, 2, and 3, hunger is almost zero. You feel completely in control. Day 4, that suppression starts fading. Real hunger comes back hard. And in India, जब असली hunger वापस आए, we don't reach for a salad, right? We reach for whatever it's on the table, whatever smells the best, whatever everyone else is ordering, whatever feels normal. So now slow digestion plus heavy, spicy, oily food, and your gut goes nahi bhai bilkul nahi. That's the sulfur burps. That's the nausea. That's the toilet situation every week. And here's the part nobody talks about. I tracked everything 1 month. 37,820 rupees. Injection, doctor visits, supplements, proteins, groceries, sab kuch. Nearly 38,000 rupees 1 month. And I'm still falling on the same day 4 trap. So I asked myself, is it the medication that needs to change? No, it's me. It's the behavior. It's always the behavior. Monjaro is a tool, ek bahut mehenga tool. But a tool doesn't work if I keep sabotaging myself every day 4. So I'm not here with a perfect plan. Week 10 maybe yahi hua. So clearly I'm still learning. But here's what's genuinely making a difference. Number 1, day 3 evening I eat properly. Like egg, paneer, dal, something which is real. Number 2, before stepping out, eat first. Even curd rice, even just 2 eggs. Because making food choices when you're already craving is like going grocery shopping when you are already starving. You know exactly how that ends, right? Number 3, if I do eat something heavy, I don't punish myself. I write it in the journal. I note how I feel and I try to find the pattern. No guilt, no spiral, just observe, learn and show up tomorrow. ये इतना ही है, simple. Not easy, but simple. I wrote this on day 1. Tired of starting over and over again. I don't want my life to revolve around food, guilt, and regret. Saturday, for a few hours, it did. Sunday was rough, really rough. But Monday, I opened this journal, wrote it all down. didn't spiral, didn't quit. Week 10, I'm still here, and that's the win. Not the scale number, not the perfect week, just I didn't give up. If you are on Manjaro or any GLP-1 in India, and you have that one day that breaks you every week, tell me, is it day 5, day 3, day 4? Comment, I genuinely want to know. Because we are all dealing with the exact same thing, and nobody is being honest about it. This journal helped me finally see my own pattern. Maybe it will help you too. Link is in the description. $2.99. Print it, bind it, start writing. You don't need a perfect week. You just need to start paying attention. Milte hai next week. Let's see if day 4 wins again. Probably not, but maybe. We'll see.